Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on notifications on the Amazon Alexa application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the More button down below. Click on Settings, tap on Notifications, and here you can choose from these categories such as Amazon Shopping. So for example, you can turn on these notification preferences when you want to get notifications about items in delivery updates, for items in return updates, including items in your shopping basket marked as gifts or those that might be gifts during major holidays. If you want to receive notifications for updates about your package returns, turn on the returns button. Or when you want to get a notification about your order updates, then turn on this order updates button, or about deal recommendations or reorder recommendations. And here you have a bunch of other options that you can turn on. All you have to do is just clicking on this gray button. Once it turns to blue, it means that it's turned on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.